Keep watching if you want to see how we turn this wafer roll can into this new planter for my bamboo plant. It was time to repot it. It needed a new home. So I grabbed some rocks, some jute rope, some tiles, my hot glue gun, pair of scissors, and got to work. Now first I'm just gonna take it out of the old home, put it into the new one, and you just start building the rocks around it. I saved the smaller rocks for the top. You can get these from your local Dollar Tree. And now once I have it in, I'm putting the water in there. And for me, it was easier to decorate this way because it kept it in place. And you start by gluing your tiles around the top or any order that you want to glue them. Then I'm gluing the jute rope around it, kind of stopped midway. And then I decided to put the tiles at the bottom. And then I'm going to fill the rest in. This is really a quick, inexpensive project. You can gather these items from the Dollar Tree or any leftover craft supplies. Comment below if this is something that you would like to make. Share it also.